here at the kiddie rides. Anyways, this is the mall elevator at Ross Park Mall, Ross Township, Pennsylvania. This used to be in Montgomery, modernized by industrial commercial innovation. In case of fire, use stairway, do not use elevators. Bingo. Let's go to seat 30. Let's listen to the motor on this thing. Oh my gosh. Not a very nice motor. It has improved a bit. Wow. The motor, it's actually an advocate for an epic motor. It's actually improved. Going down?
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Is this 3 floors?
No, this is 2.
No, but I mean, is this small 3 floors or it's only 2?
Only Macy's.
Okay.
Macy's is 3 stories.
Oh.
This is only 2.
My phone. They're like, where are you? I'm coming. Give me a minute.
This is a pretty nice elevator.
Yeah, it's nice and big.
Nice tabs. Innovation Universal. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Certificates in the mall management office.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
I banged into the door anyway.
Have a good day.
You too.
There it goes. That's it.